Look at Ilhoon all grown up. I am attacked. I need something to hold on to. Here we go again. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop ride. Hey everyone, so today we are checking out Ilhoon Solos because I wanted to. No, because it's next up. After this, we've only got songs left, so I can't believe we've almost made it through the solo, so we can get to more actual BTOB. But yeah, we're doing 3 songs that I've picked according to your suggestions, which are Fancy Shoes, Big Wave, and Spoiler. So let's hop right on in, shall we? I've ordered them according to when they came out, and I chose Big Wave, well, according to suggestions, but also because I saw a clip of it from This Is Us, and I wanted to hear it properly. So let's go. Oh, wait, does this have English? Hello. Oh, I like his look. Oh, so this was the first solo release they ever did. Okay. I couldn't see a MV for this when I looked for it, but dance practice is fine, right? Should be. I couldn't find it. Maybe I'm just blind. We'll still hear the song. Why is he acting like it's on? Ooh! And it's got subtitles too. Okay. Ooh! Okay. It's really like, it's a mix of like, it's like kind of like jazz loungy, but upbeat. It kind of reminds me of, in terms of sound, kind of gives me, I don't know what the genre is called, but I feel like it's the same genre as whatever Super Junior's Devil is. Okay. Oh! I like the choreo! Damn! Look at this! Ooh, the shoulder! Uh-huh! This is just, it's so fun. Oh gosh, I like this choreo. This is so surreal because I literally just filmed BTOB Diary and I'm like, look at Ilhoon all grown up. Oof, I like that move. I like his whole vibe. I like this. Well, Ilhoon in a suit is everything. I miss you. I love you. I didn't expect Ilhoon to go so hard on dancing for his solo, but I like it. It's not like it's like a super difficult choreo, but it is pretty fast in parts. This is more like what I expected. Ooh, Ilhoon, the styling, nice, sir. I love that. 난 그냥 very vibey. Fucking love it. Oh yes, Ilhoon. What was rude? Him go so hard? Oh, licking his finger. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Person who made the captions. That was very rude of him. That's nice. I really like that. Well done, Ilhoon. Thank you. That's a jam and a half. Okay, I really like that. I really like that. Oh, Piece of BTOB Volume 2. Is that the same thing that Peniel did that one for? Which one was it? BOD? Fly 23? Or was it the other one? I forgot the name of the third one. God damn it, I'm horrible with titles. Okay, so next up we have Big Wave, which I've been wanting to hear in full. And like with lyrics ever since I listened to it. Like watched the This Is Us concert. Because I really liked the instrumental that time. So after this I can finally listen to it whenever. Oh. And this was like, he wrote this about like a very like traumatic event where he almost passed away in a hurricane? I'm just waiting for the big word. Since I came to this bitch, yeah. 큰 파도가 굽이칠 때 난 뭔가 해낼 거라고 믿네. Someone told me you should beware. 왜 모두 가까이 가지 말래. 그들과 반대로만 갈래. I will never ever be the same, be the same. 또 이렇게 정신 못 차리고 있을 땐 뺨을 툭툭 치며 물뿌리네. 물에 비친 널 보니 I'm still okay. These captions are confusing to me because I think they're only translating the Korean parts. Okay. It's okay. Like I'm sober when it's get over. I'm just waiting for the big wave 바다 위에 선전화도 못 받아 지금까지. I like this like I feel like the song itself is kind of like reggae inspired, like reggae blues. I don't know. Listen, I'm not good with genres, but that's kind of how it feels. But I like it. To me, it feels very obviously. Like, to me, the whole song reads like it's that one big metaphor using that like event. I'm just trying to figure out what he's actually talking about. Just so you know, I love the way it sounds. I'm just very hooked into the meaning. This is beautiful, by the way. And I'm floating alone. There's no one to follow, alone. Feels like I'm sober when it's get over. This song, this part gives me almost gospel vibes. I have no idea what the song is about other than that event. Like, I'm very confused. There's no one to follow. So now I'm just gonna focus on the sound. So pretty. Something I really appreciate about Ilhoon's music is that he does sing. Like he raps and he does sing, because I feel like Peniel went mostly the round of I'm not gonna sing. I can't sing like that, like they'd expect from a BTOB member. I feel like he still does sing, and he just stays in his comfort zone, but makes it very interesting with arrangement and everything, and it's very beautiful. And that was the end of the song. I was deceived by the timeline. I'm guessing the song is just, the video is just the song twice. Let me check. Yeah. But yeah, I really like the way he tackles that, I guess. Okay, so finally we've got Spoiler. It has like a short film, and I thought, why not watch that before we go into the song itself? It's kind of like a spoiler for Spoiler. Sorry. I'm annoying. Okay. Oh, he looks pretty. Wait, do we have? No. Oh, I like the sound of it. He looks beautiful too, his styling. Very vibey. I'm not gonna lie, I expected a bit more of the She's Gone sound in these songs. Less of the vibey, soft, but I like it. God, he's so pretty. And I love his style of rap singing so much. The acting, very BTOB of him to go so hard on the acting. I like the sound of it. Oh, this instrumental. These visuals are gorgeous. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited for this song now. Oh, it sounds very beautiful. So it was a digital single, so like a one-off. Okay, let's go for. I found a live performance that also has subtitles, so I thought, why not do that? I mean, it's not perfect audio, but let's you know. Ooh. So it's about it's about how the world is harder than you think it is. And it's like I try to protect you from the truth. It's kind of what I'm reading. Or is it I'm not as good as you think. Yeah, is it I didn't want to see your dark side and I didn't want to show you mine. Didn't want to see the sadness and all the hard times. Ooh! Oh, it's so pretty. His voice is gorgeous. God, his voice is so pretty. Man, y'all. I know, listen, in terms of vocals, I definitely prefer Changsop, right? Out of everyone in BTOB. I think I like his voice the most when it comes to like impressiveness, but I really, well, Ongkwang I think is the best out of BTOB in terms of vocals, just from a technical standpoint. I'm probably gonna make a whole video about like my favorite vocalist, not what best vocalist and / my favorite vocalist, and I'll talk about Ongkwang there. But I personally prefer Changsop's style when it comes to like the big vocals. But then Ilhoon, I just really find his voice pleasing. I have such problems in this group, honestly. How am I gonna pick people? Can't even pick whose voice I like the most. There's so many things to consider. I definitely think I might like Ilhoon's music the most as a soloist thus far. Him or Hinchik. Beautiful. God, his low tones, beautiful. Beautiful. Utterly gorgeous. I really like, I think out of those 3 songs, it's either Big Wave or Spoiler that I like the most out of those 3. But I'd say out of all his solo songs that I've heard, I still like She's Gone the most. It's very beautiful and it's really my style. But yeah, as I just said, I think in terms of solos, thus far, we still have Songjae to go to, but thus far I think I like what I've heard from Ilhoon and what I've heard from Hyunshik the most. So as soloists, I'd say those 2 are it for me right now. What are your thoughts and opinions, and what do you think? And let's exchange thoughts and opinions. Also in comments, let me know what I should check out by Songjae, because he's the last soloist we've got left. But yeah, as always, that's it from me for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please actually do that. If this is like at least your 3rd video, like your 3rd or 4th video from that you've watched from me, it's time to subscribe. It really helps me out, and I promise it's free. I'm not gonna make you pay, and you can leave anytime you want to. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate the heck out of you. Links to the Discord, the Patreon, and the Twitch, where I do a ton of B2B as well, like especially on on Patreon, are in the description. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.